Do you see all this trash? This is what the video is gonna be.
Hi! Oh my goodness, I hate my channel. I hate my channel. Oh! I just inhaled my hair. That hurt. Also, the video's crooked. You know what? Whatever. So, hi. Welcome to my channel. You may be wondering, what am I watching? First of all, I think it is becoming a tradition to start my videos off looking like absolute trash. I feel like someone's watching me from the window, honestly. For the next few weeks, honestly, to the end of the year, I have some amazing video ideas. But today is not one of those days. Let me get a little closer, you know, just scoot on in. Okay. So today we are just chilling. It's kind of dark out, it's raining, and you know what? We're just gonna have a fun night in and hang out. Because honestly, why not? I made a Snapchat last night and I said, send me video ideas that I can do for Friday. And they're like, do a Q&A, react to something, I don't know, cook something. Here we are with literally nothing. And it's not that I don't want to do those things. Why am I making this? Why am I making this video? I want to do those things, but they don't fit my criteria for what I want to post because I want very original content. So to keep it authentic, I'm going to post absolute trash today. So, like I said, it's raining. I'm literally doing nothing tonight. So let me fix the camera angle before I have an aneurysm. Yes, it's raining tonight. I have nothing to do. We're gonna hang out. The first thing that we need to do is probably make some coffee so we can get very energized. Okay, so let's make a coffee. Okay, so today we are gonna make a coffee. Well, that's not all that we're doing, but that's what we're doing right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a peppermint mocha at home, and it's actually healthy, and I'm not kidding. So let me open my dishwasher that's not ready to be opened. Steamy, can you tell? Wait, I need lip gloss. I have problems.
A few moments later.
I cannot go without this lip gloss. This is the Buxom. The name is Sophia. I love how you can't see it. I wear this every day. And it just makes you look hot. And I like to look hot. I don't know about you. Okay. Let me show you how to make some iconic coffee. You need a French press. Is there soap in this? Whatever. When I make coffee, wait, I don't like the hood actually. It's kind of giving me a bad vibe. Wait, I actually need to fix my ponytail in general. I need to fix my life in general. Or should we just go no ponytail? Oh my god. Let me just give myself some hairs around the side so I don't look like a boy. Oh, that was too many. I have problems. Okay. Alright, so this is how you make a really good peppermint mocha at home. You need a French press. You can use a regular coffee machine, but I like French presses. Then you need a thing to grind your coffee. This is if you are using a French press, which by the way makes the best coffee. You need this because you need a coarse grind. So let's do that. Okay. Here's my grind thing. I just put the coffee inside like this. This wet, who cares? Gets electrocuted, but watch this. You take the coffee, forgot what it was because I'm an idiot. Is this too zoomed in? Yes. Hold on. We have changed positions. You get the grinder, you plug it in. You take the coffee and get 2 tablespoons. 1. Then you take the lid, and you screw it on like you screw your, oh my god. Then you select the smallest size and you put it on coarse. Then you hold it down, and then I'm gonna tell you all my secrets that I would never tell anyone. So okay, it's done. You take the coffee grinds and you put them in the French press. I know, it's rocket science. It smells like Starbucks. I also got it all over the counter. There it is. Now you're gonna take a pot. Who texted me? Okay, it's just my apartment people. So you're gonna take a pot. Look at that, I have one. Take good quality water. Don't use like tap water because your coffee is gonna taste like the water. Coffee is basically water. It's just the coffee beans like sit in the water, okay? Do you understand that? Or am I assuming you guys are dumb like me? Essentia or die. Don't actually die. I'm not trying to get sued. You want 6 ounces. This is 1/2 cup, which means that it's 4 ounces. We want 6 ounces. All right, keep up, ladies. So you're gonna fill this once and put it in the bowl that you can't see. And then you're gonna fill it up halfway and pour it in. Now let me carry you on over here. So we're gonna put it on the stove. Turn on the light so you can see. I'm gonna put it on high, but I don't like to put it on the very high setting because I get anxiety. I'm like, I don't want to put stress on the stove, so I put it just below high so that it doesn't get pushed to its maximum capacity. We're gonna let that boil and we're just gonna talk, basically. I think what we're gonna do in the rest of this video is make this coffee, which is gonna take way too friggin' long, and then I'm gonna get ready and not look ugly, and I'm gonna take a new picture for Instagram. I haven't posted since the 10,000 subscriber video, which was kind of like 2 weeks ago now, wasn't it? So I don't know, I want to post something new. I'm very bored. I have nothing else to do, and I do my makeup when I'm bored, so, and I'm not letting it go to waste. Like, come on. Let's gather our ingredients. Vanilla extract. Then we need agave nectar, as you can see. You can use maple syrup, but I ran out. But that's another thing you can use. You may notice that I have a Keurig right behind me, but we don't talk to her. I don't like Keurigs. I just have it because I used to use it all the time, and I don't want to get rid of it. Do you hear that? It's boiling. So this means it's ready. Then you take it and pour it inside like this. Then you let it sit for 4 minutes. I don't know why I'm talking to you like you're stupid. I keep doing that. I'm so sorry. I respect all of you. Okay, you put the cap on and then set a timer. 4 minutes. No more, no less. Capiche? Set that aside. Now you've got your cup. I don't know about you guys, but I like almond milk in my coffee, but you can use whatever you want. So, it's backwards. Oh, shit. We have almond milk, vanilla, because that is my favorite. And we're gonna shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. You wanna put about half and half of coffee and milk. So you can't see, but you should know, be wary that I filled it halfway. We're gonna add in our ingredients. I first get a drink of my Essentia. I just cringed. Ladies and my gentlemen and everything in between, get cacao powder. It's basically cocoa powder. I don't know, but this is healthy. They sell it at Whole Foods and it's healthy. Okay, get a huge tablespoon of the powder and put this all inside like that. You're basically making a hot chocolate here. Get a spoon, which I have not done, but now I have done. Mix it in. I love how you can't see anything. This video is so bad. Also, the lighting is so terrible. Then you're gonna take your vanilla extract. Make sure you mix it up a little, you know, do a little swish motion. Put in enough. Watch what I do. You watching? Better be watching. Are you watching? Oh, the timer's ready. Why did I open the microwave? Oh my god, I'm incompetent. French press. You take it and you press. Yes, it's magic. Oh my goodness, there's my workout for the day. Take the coffee. I know, this is hard, but I'm here for you. Take the coffee and pour it in. Oh my god, can you believe it? I put too much almond milk, so this is overflowing. Okay, I'm transferring this into a clear cup so you can see what the hell I'm doing. Back to what I was doing when I wasn't rudely interrupted. Take the vanilla extract and pour it in. I don't know how much that was, but it's enough. Mix it. You're gonna take your agave or maple syrup. Do not use sugar unless you're using maple sugar because we are making it healthy. We don't want anything processed. Yes, the almond milk is processed, but just ignore that. We're gonna put about 1 or 2 spoonfuls of the agave nectar. And this is gonna make it very sweet. There is a secret ingredient to this. So I have this box. It is called I don't know what it's called, but it is with all these essential oils. I don't know if you knew this, but you can actually ingest some essential oils. And one of those oils that you can actually like eat is peppermint. Keep in mind, essential oils are very strong. They are concentrated. You literally need 1 drop. If you do more than 1 drop, the whole thing is up. Let's just do a quick prayer. Dear God, I know that I'm not the smartest one, but let's let this peppermint mocha be iconic. Amen. Thank you. Here we go. 1 drop. Come on. That's it. That's it. That is it. Show is over. Everyone's packing up. Goodbye. Now you're gonna mix the oil into the drink. Oh, when it smells minty as and like when you breathe it, your whole nose feels like it shed its skin, it's ready. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back into this. Ew. Now I'm gonna microwave it because it's still kind of cold from the almond milk. And honestly, you could steam the almond milk and make it professional, but who has the time for that? As I just did all this other Ew, look at that. I'm gonna clean that. Okay, microwave time.
12 seconds later.
Okay, do you see the steam? Is it focusing? Hee Beauty guru. Let's put the lid on and we're gonna taste test. We are testing the taste because that's what a taste test is. Cheers. See, that is what I'm talking about. Now that we've wasted 30 minutes making 1 drink, we are going to get ready. Yes, we are going. Click off the video. Just click off. Hi everyone. Welcome to my bathroom. Ignore this. And yes, it is very dirty. This video is absolute trash. We are gonna be taking a shower. I was sick, by the way, so this is why this is in here. But yes, we are showering and you are joining. We also brought the coffee in the bathroom. Trash! Reunite, or unite. This might be one of the weirdest things I've ever done on my channel, not in real life. Okay, so now that we're in the shower, Alright, so now that we're in the shower, I want to sing a song because, like, we're in the shower. Like, let's live it up. Like, let's live it up. Like, what the is up, Kyle?
What the fuck is up, Kyle?
But to lose all my senses, that is just so typically me. Oops, I did it again. I made a video. I left out my subscribers again.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wait, I don't want you to see the trash. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, even though you probably never left. Actually, you probably should have left, let's be honest, a long time ago. So I put on a t-shirt, you know, just something casual that you wear when it's rainy out, not really doing anything. So I'm gonna show you how to go from, you know, kind of pretty hair, even though it's wet, to looking like a literal boy. We're gonna brush it all back with a comb. You have to use a comb, you cannot use, ow! You have to use a comb, you cannot use a regular brush. Yeah, don't mind my hideous smudged eyebrows and smudged mascara. That's the way it works in this house. You have to be ugly to get cute. You cannot be cute and be more cute. That's against the rules, and if you do that, then we will not be friends. Alright. Ow! My neighbors are gonna be like, what is she up to? Go like this and go straight back. Push up, and wherever it falls is your part. That's how you find your natural part, by the way. You're gonna brush it flat. Now, for this style, you don't have to do it down the middle. If I hit another knot in my hair, brush it all flat. So this is my hair brushed and wet. Looks okay. So we're gonna look like a complete boy now because I don't feel like straightening and drying my hair. And I'm gonna put it in a very sleek bun because I cannot be bothered. You're basically gonna take the comb and like shape your hair into like a flat thing across your head like that. And do it on both sides. Do you see what I've done? I look like a boy. Now you're gonna take your hair tie and you're gonna put it in a bun like this. Like this. Actually, a little longer. Like this. Hopefully it's smooth or else I'm gonna look like a dog. You're gonna take hairspray, cover your face, and flatten it, and then shape it. And this is how you look like a freaking boy. Congratulations. Alright guys, I don't know what this video became. I really do not. But all I know is that I'm about to take some pictures because I just wasted like an hour doing my makeup. I'm not even going anywhere. I literally just did this for the video because I had nothing to do. And yeah, so I don't know how I got this hair. Halfway through the video, I was like messing with my hair with the bronzer and I was like, screw it. So here we are. I'm a blondie and that's the video. This was trash. I'm sorry you had to watch it. We can try again next week and I will see you in the weekly vlog Sunday. Love you.